Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Cash App using their phone number. So make sure to watch till the end to understand the entire process. First, open up your Cash App. Once the app is loaded, head to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. You'll see an option to Invite Friends. Go ahead and tap on that. It's going to ask for permission to access your contact list, so just tap Allow. Now, all your contacts will appear here, with their phone numbers and cash tags if they've already registered on Cash App. But if you're looking for someone specific by phone number, here's how you do it. Simply click on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom, which takes you to the Discover page. Here, you'll see a search bar where you can type out a phone number. If that number is associated with a Cash App account, it will show up right here. You can also search by cash tag, which is the dollar symbol followed by the person's unique username. And that's it. I hope this video helped you find who you're looking for on Cash App. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.